Hey everybody, hope everyone's having a great and wonderful day. Tonight, we're gonna go explore a new eatery here at the new live entertainment Vivo spot in Dolphin Mall. Ready to come along and have some fun and see what we can eat, and we're gonna show you all. I'm just rambling on, so let's just go and have some fun, everybody. You ready?
Yeah.
Well, tonight we're gonna go try out Cafe Bonbon over here in the Vivo live entertainment food court area that's in Dolphin Mall. So far, this area has a little Nico. It also has a sports and social club. And it has something very unique for the Miami area. Aside from the Miller Lite music stage, which is an actual full amphitheater, there's something else here which is very unique. There is a PBR here. An actual cowboy bar in Miami, Florida. So, quick little tour aside. Let's go and let's check out Cafe Bonbon. Let's go, guys. Now we do have the Oreo flantel, as you can see from the cross section. It looks to be maybe an Oreo chocolate mousse and cheesecake. We'll find out. And the girls also got themselves also a cappuccino. So we're gonna go in, dive into this, and give her honest opinion about how this tastes. All right, so Crystal's already tried the cappuccino. What's your thoughts on it?
It's delicious. Very good. So,
all right,
here we go. Ashley, get your spoon.
All right, so let's see how this.
Oh, very good. It's cheesecake.
So it's an Oreo cheesecake?
Yeah.
All right.
Now George is gonna try it.
All right, let's hope.
Get some of this. That's the sweet part.
Well, that's so good.
Very good?
Well, that's really good. Hey guys, that was our first time trying the Cafe Bonbon over at the Sugar Factory. I liked it.
It was delicious.
Music was a little too loud for my taste, but I'll tell you for that,
Not
the cheesecake.
expensive. We spent $25. The Oreo cheesecake was $10. The cortadito, no, cappuccino was $5. And the water was $8.
But it was a very
Wasn't
big,
bad.
it was a big glass, a big bottle of water, so it was good. So, listen, you guys, we do these for you guys. We hope you love them, and we hope you enjoy them. If you like what we do, like, comment, and subscribe, and listen, guys. We'll see you guys next time.
Kudos.
Later.